Thanks, Ruchi. I would really encourage each of you to look at our website. जो भी रुचि ने explain किया है, सारे information हमारे website में if you go to individual product sections, you will be able to see. You will have a better understanding of what she explained. Quickly, before we get into the commercials, it's extremely important for you all to be aware of what all support that we are providing to you. One is, as you may have, while you got onboarded onto our affiliate channel, as you know, we have a dedicated affiliate page in our website, which we have shown on the left. Which page पे आप जाना, all details that we are walking you through in this webinar is also available in that page. As soon as you onboard it, you would have got a link and on email, and when you had used that link, you would have seen a demo video. The demo video also has fair level of detail about the affiliate program that we are offering. In addition to that, as part of that link, there will also be access for you to all the marketing collaterals that you will be required to promote our brand and product. एक तो हमारी तरफ से हम regularly आपको support करते रहेंगे on the marketing collaterals and information. Apart from that, अगर आपको लगता है you want to create your own creative using the imagery from the brand, product image from the brand, and you promote, that option is also available to you. As I said, there's going to be a detailed product catalog. उसमें it's almost like a 40-page catalog of all the product offering that we are having in TinyLane. And in our website also there are promotional videos, video content that you will be able to use as part of this journey. So हम आपको एक अच्छा brand बनाया है, एक काफी channels में brand is already available. You have access to a good product range, and then you are also getting good marketing material to promote this brand further on. Okay. Now, this is the main part of the deck. तो मैं थोड़ा धीरे आपको समझाता हूँ. Very simple है. एक तो मार्जिन आपको हर सेल में आपका मार्जिन क्या होगा, उसके अलावा we also have monthly incentives that we are offering as a brand to you all. What is a margin? So the margin contribution is on the sale value that you are booking, or the sale value that you are individual customer sale value that you are booking. जैसे रुचि ने product range बता रही थी, so we have products which are less than 1,000, we have products which are between 1,000 and 2,000 rupees. We also have products which are above 2,000 rupees. Here, the number that you see is on the customer bill value. So the way we have structured it is, जितना आप high value बेचोगे, उतना आपका margin earning is also high. So if the bill value, if the customer bill value, if anybody buys through you for more than 2,000 rupees, you are straight away getting a 25% margin. So, I just want to call out your attention to the number that is mentioned in the card. That is the bill value as an example. For example, if somebody buys for 4,000 rupees, which is 3,999, that bill is above 2,000, so you are straight away getting a 25% margin and your earning is 1,000 rupees. If somebody is buying for 1,999, which is again the middle one, your margin is 20% and you are getting straight away 400 rupees. If somebody is buying at 999, it's a 15% margin and you are still away getting 150 rupees. So that is the margin. It's a very simple formula. The higher the value that you sell, the more is your earning. Yeah? Now going to the next slide. In addition to the margin, you also have a incentive scheme. So the incentive scheme is for 3 slabs. This is on the monthly sale that you are generating for the brand. The 3 slabs are 25,000 per month, 50,000 per month, and 1 lakh per month and above. So if you are achieving a sale of more than 25,000 per month, you directly earn a monthly incentive in addition to your margin of 3,000 rupees. If you are achieving sale above 50,000 but less than 1 lakh, your incentive is 5,000 per month in addition to your margin. If your sale is above 1 lakh that month, your incentive is straightforward 10,000. So we have a very simple margin structure and we have a straightforward incentive structure of 3 slabs: 25,000, 50,000 per month, and 1 lakh per month. So with this, let us take an illustration as an example and see how this combination of earning will work for you. For example, if you have to do 50,000 in sales in a month, Our suggestion is focus largely on the gift sets, because gift sets will give you, by selling gift sets, you'll be able to sell a higher value product. So aim for an average billing of 3,000 per order, which means you have to do 16 orders in a month, which means one order every 2 days. That is the bill value that you want to target. इसमें क्या होगा, आपका margin earning जो होगा for the month will be around 12,000, and then you will be eligible for an incentive of 5,000 for crossing 50,000 in that month in sales. So your earning for that month will be 17,000 in total. This is an example that I've taken. If you're crossing 1 lakh in sales, then your margin earning will be as per your sale of 1 lakh, and then you have an incentive of 10,000 rupees for having crossed 1 lakh in that month. So that's our commercial structure to you all. I want to also give you confidence that this monthly incentives will keep evolving month on month. So during festival seasons, we'll have slightly more, in addition to these incentives, you'll also have additional giveaways. And every month, we will stay in touch with each one of you on a regular basis. And our goal is for you all to win. Our goal is for you all to earn as much as possible from Tiny Lane.